Breast cancer stage is usually expressed as a number on a scale of 0 through 4. Stage 0 describes non-invasive cancers that remain within their original location, and Stage 4, invasive cancers that have spread outside the breast to other parts of the body.
There are other things that, aside the mammogram, that can be used to get the exact staging. Sometimes we may use other imaging like CAT scan or a PET scan, particularly in diseases that are far advanced, and sometimes even a bone scan, particularly for metastatic diseases that may have affected the bones. All of it helps to plan the treatment of the patient in terms of chemotherapy, radiation, and even the type of surgery that somebody would have. And it also gives information about prognosis about the patient.
CHRISTUS Cabrini Cancer Center offers state-of-the-art treatment with a personal team approach.
It involves the medical oncologist, the radiation oncologist, and the surgical oncologist, because basically the treatment of breast cancer, depending on the stage of it, might involve some level of removing the tumor, which the surgeon will do. The radiation oncologist may give radiation, and the medical oncologist will give chemotherapy or hormonal therapy. Even after the treatment, we do what we call surveillance, that is following up with the patient in order to look for symptoms and signs of recurrence so that the patient can be retreated.
Breast Cancer Awareness Month may be coming to a close, but it's time to recommit ourselves to prevention and early detection.
Always looking out for signs and symptoms of breast cancer is very important, particularly patients who may have family history of breast cancer, self-examining the breast periodically, visiting the physicians for physical examination, and screening mammograms that are able to pick up, the breast cancer at an early stage to help with treatment.
To learn more about breast cancer and treatment, call CHRISTUS Cabrini Cancer Center, 448-6917.
The Medical Minute is brought to you in part by CHRISTUS St. Francis Cabrini Hospital.